In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import members to Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a list of people into your site's contacts so you can organize them into a mailing list and start communicating right away. First, sign into your Squarespace site and open your dashboard. Head to Contacts. This is where all of your profiles and subscribers live. Once you're there, look for the Add option and click it. You'll see several ways to add people. Choose Upload a List to bring in many members at once from a file. When that option is selected, click Next to move into the upload flow. Now it's time to add your file. Click Add a CSV file, then select the CSV from your computer. A quick tip before you upload: make sure your spreadsheet is saved as a standard CSV with one person per row and clear column headers like email, first name, and last name. The email column is essential. Remove any blank rows, turn off formulas, and make sure special characters display correctly. Cleaning this up now will save you time later. After the file is attached, you'll choose where these people should go. Click Select Mailing List, then pick Create New Mailing List. Give your list a clear name that tells you who's in it, like Newsletter July Import or Event Attendees. A descriptive name makes it easier to filter and send the right messages later. Next, you'll see an option labeled These subscribers accept marketing. Go ahead and select it, but only if you have permission to email them for marketing purposes. Consent is important for compliance and list health. If your CSV includes consented subscribers, checking this ensures they're added to your marketing audience correctly. When that's set, click Next. Before you finish, review how Squarespace matched your CSV columns to contact fields. Confirm that email maps to email, names map to the right fields, and any custom data looks correct. If something doesn't line up, adjust the mapping on this screen so your data imports cleanly. When everything looks good, click Import. The import may take a moment if your file is large. You'll see a progress indicator, and once it's done, your new mailing list will appear in Contacts. If Squarespace flags any rows, download the error report, fix the issues, often a missing or invalid email, and re-upload just those contacts. That's it. You've successfully imported members into Squarespace and organized them into a mailing list, ready for campaigns, automations, or segmenting.